Hi friends. Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs. In this year, many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference to the society and make Rotary seen. In this year, we have started a novel concept called the Biz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Friends, the WizBiz Talk Show is a hot from oven initiative to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of the selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference to the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, that's a bariatric surgeon, and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in Vision Year 2021. Friends, our guest on the WizBiz Talks today is a very dear friend and one of the most dependable Rotarians in Rotary District 3141. People have known him as a person who leads with an example and passionate about any tasks he takes in hand, especially the Rotary Foundation. Yes, friends, he's the Jai Ho Rotarian, a Rotarian since 2 decades from the most illustrious Rotary Club of Bombay, Rotarian Nirav Niranjan Shah. He is into business of pharma logistics. I would like to take this opportunity to let you all know my true feelings for Nirav, and I believe he's able, he's amiable, he's charming, he's versatile, he's polite, he's likable, he's understanding, he's dependable. He's one who has the hands with golden touch. Anything he touches turns gold, and he passes that on to the Rotary Foundation. Let me have the pleasure of presenting before you the man who's the epitome of integrity and transparency, the one and only charismatic Rotarian Nirav Shah.
Hi, Nirav here.
Nirav, welcome to the WizBiz Talk Show. Nirav, we worked together quite a lot since so many years. I know a lot about you. I've come to your place so many times. But there's so many others who would like to know something more about you on your personal front. You, your family, your likings, your hobbies. Can you let us know something more about yourself?
Yeah, so my father was a Rotarian for 40 years, and my sister, Dr. Swati Piramal, and my brother-in-law, Ajay Piramal, also have been Rotarians or Rotary Club of Bombay, honorary Rotarians. And his friend Nandan Damani, also past president Rotary Club of Bombay. So my sister Rotary Nandan Damani introduced me to Rotary Club of Bombay 20 years back. And I like Rotary as an organization because it allows you to do good work, it allows you to make a positive difference, and also you also gain because you meet so many different people, you make friends, and you meet so many different people across various clubs, district, and also internationally. Okay, so it's great culturally. I think it's one of the best organizations in the world. It's one of the best social service organizations in the world. That's what I personally think.
Nirav, something more about your first family, Devina, and your children. We would like to know something about them also. They have been major contributors to the foundation, though through you, but we would like to know something more about them too.
So my wife is Devina, and she is also part of a different club, Rotary Club Mumbai Queen Necklace. So since the last 5 years, I'm there since 20 years in Rotary Club Bombay, and ever since I've demoted my office as a president of Rotary Club of Bombay in 2013-14, then she was motivated to join Rotary Club Mumbai Queen Necklace. And ours is 320 members, and Rotary Club Mumbai and Queen Necklace about 175 members. And both of us have contributed not regularly to the Rotary Club Bombay, Rotary Club Charity Trust, as well as the Rotary Foundation, because I consistently tell people, Rotarians and friends across, that I have 2 children. One is Rotary Club of Bombay, so I give regularly whatever my giving is. I give to my own club also first for projects in Mumbai city, and also for projects in India via the Rotary Foundation. So one must give year on year to both the Rotary Club of Rotary movement via the club as well as the Rotary Foundation.
Lovely words. Uh, Nirav, your name has been synonymous with Rotary Foundation. How did you develop this love for the foundation? Why did you choose Rotary Foundation over any other charity organizations for your donations?
So about the future governor, district governor nominee Sandeep Agarwala, he told me one day, look Nirav, if you want to enjoy Rotary, get involved. And about when he was a president about 20 years back, he put me in a program called Namaste India Farewell to Polio. And that time I got inducted into the Rotary Foundation, and I had to collect the highest amount of money for pest control. And the immunization was at Rani Bagh in Bhaikala in Mumbai, and where we did 4 different immunization camps. And that campaign, I'm a very bad orator, and I used to get stage fright, and I still do, even though I'm a past president. And when I spoke on the stage, I had to collect money. I had to collect money for the Rotary Foundation. I had to collect money for the Rotary Foundation, and Namaste India Farewell to Polio was a highly successful program. And so that's when my induction happened in the Rotary Foundation through past president and future governor, district governor nominee Sandeep Agarwala, who's my mentor first, and also past president Kalpana Munshi. So these two stand out in my mentorship. And yeah, so but 10 years after my presidency in 2013-14, I said, let me do something which I'm passionate about. And I'm deeply passionate about the Rotary Foundation, deeply, very deeply, and also Rotary. People think, "Arey, ye TRF wala aa gaya hai," but it is not true. As I said, I believe firmly in giving the 3 T's: treasure, time, and talent, year on year, on 1st July every year. Why 1st July? That every president or the district governor or the can use the funds for 365 days. So I like to give whatever my giving is, myself as well as my wife. We like to give on 1st July of every year on year. Yeah. So I firmly believe in the 3 T's: treasure, time, and talent, and the 3 H's: head, heart, and hands. So I just love the Rotary Foundation.
Well, these are such lovely, wonderful words. These are inspiring words, Nirav. And before we proceed ahead, I want to hear those 2 magical words from you for which you are known always. एक बार बोल दीजिए.
Jai Ho
Yes.
and Mangal Ho.
Yes.
So Jai Ho means may victory be yours.
Yes,
and Mangal Ho means may you be blessed.
Friends, Nirav's children were getting married and we were invited there. On the stage, this passionate person from the stage also didn't forget Roti, and from there also he has said Jai Ho. And Nirav, we are witness to what you have said over there. Nirav, we would like to know something about your work and profession. See, ultimately, you earn from your work and profession and you give it to Rotary. So let us know something about your work and profession. And after putting that hard work in whatever you do at a professional level, you still want to put a sizable sum from that into the Rotary Foundation. That means you care about Rotary Foundation as much or more as you consider your work to be. Tell us something more about your work.
Yeah, so I am into pharma logistics. I used to do logistics for Piramal Healthcare. Then Piramal Healthcare, one division got sold to Abbott of USA. So I do the pharma logistics for Abbott since the last 10 years, and before that for Piramal Healthcare, places like Indore, Bangalore, and so I do now only for the whole of Maharashtra state. And also I have a love for real estate. So I help my nephew Anand Piramal in his real estate business just as an advisor to get to also improve the sales of Piramal Realty. And I advised him one day, go for DINK. So he told me, Nirav Mamaji, what is DINK? So I said, double income, no kids, because India has a very young population. And I have a lot of Rotary friends and contacts, and they believe me. So I gained that way also. If they're interested to buy a flat in Piramal Realty.
Friends, courtesy Nirav, we've had so many members, Rotarians as well as non-Rotarians, including some legendary persons about whom I am not supposed to take out the names, but legendary persons who have become Arts Club Society members. Friends, Arts Club Society member is a person who has contributed $250,000 and above. That is around 1.7 crores and above to the Rotary Foundation. And Nirav has been spearheading that campaign since years and years for the Rotary Foundation and for Rotary in Mumbai, which is called as Rotary District 3141. Nirav, you have been an avid supporter of Rotary Foundation. In fact, because of you, your sister Swati and Ajay Piramal, the most respected people in the fraternity, in the industry fraternity, have also started supporting and trusting the Rotary Foundation. You have led as an example yourself by becoming an Arts Club Society member. What inspired you to do so much? So much.
I don't think it's so much because over a year, means over a 20-year period or a 10-year period, my wife and me have a certain giving amount. Okay, so I give, so that giving amount is on year basis, say $25,000 year on year. So it's accumulation of those 10 years. So it's not a giving in 1 year. As I told you, I like to give to Rotary Club of Bombay first and the Rotary Foundation in whatever measure, maybe 75% foundation, 25% club, or 75% club and 25% foundation, whatever measure, 50-50. The reason why I believe so strongly in the Rotary Foundation, very strongly, is that it is, the money goes, 5% goes towards the admin charge and 95% goes towards the project itself. And after that, there's a lot of, stewardship and reporting. And so it's, I myself have been involved in 3 global grants. The first ever global grant I did was an endoscopy project in 2013-14. So one of my mentors is a gentleman called Ravi Haralka, who made a big difference in my life. Then also Akshay Mehta and Saurabh Sonawala. These guys are from, very brilliant guys. And so these 3, Ravi Haralka, Akshay Mehta and Saurabh Sonawala, and one other gentleman called Ganesh Vishwanathan. So these guys have made a great difference in my life and taught me a lot about the Rotary Foundation. And goes towards mainly why I like supporting the foundation more than for club projects is because of the key word called sustainable and measurable. The word sustainable means ability of the program to continue on its own after Rotary's intervention has ended. So I don't like projects which go on for 5 years or 10 years or 15 years or 20 years. Few projects in my club are like that. So personally, I like to support projects where we intervene for 1 year and then come out, like Jal Jeevan project of Rotary Club of Bombay. It's done via global grant. Then we have done Masina Hospital at Bhaikala via the global grant. I myself have been involved in 3 global ones. The first one, endoscopy for $100,000. Then one 100 schools teacher training at Thane, 100 schools at Thane for about $300,000. Another one in Jharkhand for about $100,000. But global grants are very good. The only thing is they're a bit time consuming, but you're guaranteed of the money where it is used, and a lot of questions are asked by Evanston, Rotary Evanston, and Rotary International South Asia office in Delhi before the grant is passed and the money is then coming in. So a lot of, it's fabulous, the global grants. Yeah. So that's why I strongly support the Rotary Foundation.
Nirav, very well said. Now, once you started saying this, I thought of something else too. There are going to be lots and lots of non-Rotarians who are also going to listen to the interview. When we do a project, suppose Manish Motwani or Nirav Shah have conceptualized a project and we feel that, yes, we should contribute for this project. When we do it alone, we can do it to a minimum level, to a particular level. But when Rotary takes it on itself and Rotary Foundation supports it, there is a multiplier effect that comes in.
That's correct.
Can you just speak for 2 minutes on that multiplier effect, how a $10,000 contribution can bring a $100,000 project?
So the minimum giving in a global grant is $32,000. $30,000 plus 2,000 US dollars is the admin cost. And because of the World Fund and district matching and club funds, the $32,000 could get a multiplier of maybe, no, somewhere around, it depends on how much the governor gives and how much money he's got. Sometimes it's from 25% to as high as 50%. So the donor also gains his money along with the multiplier. The project is bigger, the three B's: bigger, bolder, and better.
Fantastic. And most important, what you said, that all global grants, only those projects are approved which are sustainable, which are long-term projects. So yes, all the Rotary Foundation projects are such projects which will really impact the lives of many, which will ensure that this project is carried on for a prolonged period of time, and then it becomes a self-sustainable project. Fantastic, lovely words of wisdom from you, Nirav, and this will really help a lot in non-Rotarians trusting Rotary for various big projects, and also Rotarians opening up their hearts and pockets to ensure that Rotary Foundation grows, Rotary International grows, and Rotary starts doing much bigger, better, and bolder projects.
That's great.
Rotary Foundation funds Rotary projects all over the world. Your suggestions on improving the foundation contributions?
Yeah, so I mean, one is, see, what I feel strongly is that every Rotarian should lead by example, and give first to the club projects as well as to the Rotary Foundation year on year. So I firmly believe that giving to the Rotary Foundation is as equally as giving important to your club, because when you give your club, you're saying it's for mainly for Mumbai city, yeah. But when you give to the Rotary Foundation, you can do a project in India. So I'm just saying, your country, India, your state, Maharashtra, and your city, Mumbai, all three are important. Yes, Rotary Foundation money also is there for world peace, but India, as you know, is a net receiving country. So if you give $21 million last year, $21 incoming this year. So I mean, my country, India, that's why I wear this Rotary Bandi with my Indian flag. It says people of action, is as important as your city. Many people say, "Arey, why I should give, we need money within our city, why we should give the Rotary Foundation at all." I don't agree with that at all, that statement at all. And one should give year on year to the Rotary Foundation as well as to your club. And there's a brilliant program in the Rotary Foundation called the EREY program. It's called Every Rotarian Every Year. As little as $100, which is about 8,000 rupees, is equivalent to 2 lunches in Taj Hotel. And I mean, one can give that $100, sometimes maybe $1,000, and join a program called Paul Harris Society. It's just 75 to 80,000 rupees. So it's year on year. When you sign up for PHS, means the ability to give $1,000 when you're financially able and capable at every year on year. So I like the EREY program, and I love the PHS program a lot. So every Rotarian can make a difference, positive difference, via his or her own Rotary club as well as the Rotary Foundation.
Fantastic. Nirav, these are truly motivating and inspiring words. What are the changes you would like to bring in Rotary in time to come?
So as I've been consistently saying that I would love to see younger people between 30 to 40 years of age, because India has got a very young population, and I don't the average age of most clubs is about between 50 and 60. So I would like to see the average age go down by about at least 10 years, say to 45. So if you get people who are between the age of 30 to 40 years, because these youngsters nowadays earn a lot of money at 30 years of age, and 60 years of age, people start thinking of retirement and all those kind of things. And a lot of them are professionals, a lot of them are working in Rotary. So, at 60 your income stops. So it's better to catch them young in Rotary, and as most international presidents as well as governors say, that younger people and more women. I like to see more women enter the Rotary movement. But I like fewer clubs and more people within a club means a membership growth of 10 to 20% net within a club. I'm not in favor of opening more Rotary clubs as is done. Fewer clubs, more members within a club, because as you know, attendance because of traffic problems in Mumbai city and other places has gone down from 60% to about 33%. So, whenever you go to a club meeting, people require a minimum guarantee. So if you have a larger club of between 100 to 300 members, then only 1/3 attend at any point of time. Even a Zoom meeting, only 1/3 attend, not 50% or 60%, 66% as done earlier. So I'm firmly in favor of larger clubs, smaller district, firmly.
Fantastic. Neerav, you've been associated with large corporates, you've been associated with the Birlas, and courtesy you, major industrialists and corporates have been the givers to the Rotary Foundation. You've driven this so well, you've driven this so passionately. It has been a lovely experience for me to host you on the WizBiz Talks. We would like to take the liberty of posting these videos to all Rotary clubs. Let each and every Rotarian see it. We want to let it go to all social media pages of Rotary District 3141. Your interview is also going to be viewed by all Rotarians and non-Rotarians. I'm sure this interview will inspire many others to work with Rotary and associate with Rotary for service projects. We will also be showing this interview at the Golden Hearts CSR and Global Grants Conclave on the 19th of September on the virtual platform. Since you're a strong supporter of work done by Rotary, do support us by passing the message of CSR and Global Grants Conclave to your industry connects to support Rotary and thus support mankind. Thank you, Neerav, for giving your time and the priceless words which will inspire so many others who were possibly fence sitters and now would jump into the bandwagon, will jump into the field and ensure that Rotary grows, Rotary Foundation grows, and we can work for the community in a more systematic and an enhanced manner. Thank you, Neerav.
Shukriya, Rotarian Dr. Manish. And finally, I want to say again, Jai Ho means may victory be yours, and Mangal Ho, may you be blessed, and keep supporting the Rotary Foundation as well as the Rotary movement. Shukriya.
Jai Ho.
Thank you.